Hello, and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 3 LO3. Understand how to promote continuous improvement of service delivery. Continuous improvement is essential for maintaining high-quality services, ensuring long-term sustainability, and meeting the evolving needs of stakeholders. In this video, you will explore how continuous improvement approaches can be applied in service delivery to enhance performance, increase efficiency, and improve stakeholder satisfaction. Continuous improvement is a systematic effort to enhance service quality consistently. It focuses on regular performance reviews and identifying improvement opportunities. This concept, originating in manufacturing, is crucial in sectors like healthcare and education. It aims to improve customer experiences rather than physical products. Continuous improvement is about reducing delays and increasing consistency. Feedback is essential for continuous improvement. Customer feedback, complaints, and performance data offer insight into service strengths and weaknesses. Viewing complaints as opportunities helps identify root causes. Staff feedback is equally crucial, as frontline employees understand operational challenges. Effective feedback use leads to better service delivery. Structured models support consistent improvement. Review cycles and action plans ensure monitoring leads to change. Improvement actions are prioritized based on risk and impact. Progress is monitored to confirm intended improvements. These models embed regular evaluation into service delivery. Leadership and staff involvement are critical. Managers must encourage openness and accountability. Staff should feel empowered to suggest improvements. Training supports continuous improvement by aligning staff skills with service demands. Involving staff leads to practical solutions and sustainable change. Communication and documentation are vital for continuous improvement. Improvements and lessons learned must be recorded and shared. This prevents reliance on individuals and ensures consistency. Clear documentation supports consistent service delivery. It helps embed good practices across the service. Kaizen focuses on small, ongoing improvements. It encourages staff to suggest process and communication improvements. Kaizen creates a culture of ongoing improvement. It requires strong engagement to be effective. In service delivery, it enhances customer interactions and consistency. Total quality management embeds quality in all activities. It emphasizes customer focus and teamwork. TQM aligns people, processes, and leadership around quality outcomes. It requires sustained commitment and cultural change. In service delivery, it builds a quality-focused culture. Lean management eliminates waste and improves value. In services, waste includes waiting times and poor communication. Lean techniques improve efficiency and value for money. They must be applied carefully to avoid reducing service quality. Lean management focuses on the customer's perspective. The Deming cycle is a structured method for improvement. It involves planning, implementing, reviewing, and standardizing changes. This cycle encourages learning and adjustment. In service delivery, it supports planned and reviewed changes. The cycle is effective for continuous improvement. Benchmarking compares performance against best practices. It identifies performance gaps and realistic improvement targets. Pareto analysis focuses on key causes of problems. It prioritizes improvement efforts for the greatest impact. Both techniques support effective service delivery. Continuous improvement is driven by changing expectations. Stakeholders expect reliable and personalized services. Organizations must demonstrate value for money. Continuous improvement keeps services relevant and efficient. It aligns services with stakeholder needs. Investment in staff and resources is essential. Training and technology enable high-quality service delivery. Adequate staffing supports improvement activities. Without investment, initiatives are unlikely to succeed. Continuous improvement encourages learning and innovation. This is a main call-out for this scene. The NHS demonstrates the need for continuous improvement. Long waiting times in accident and emergency departments are a persistent issue. NHS trusts apply lean management and the Deming cycle. They improve patient flow through redesigned processes. Continuous monitoring identifies successful changes. Implementing improvement requires structured systems. Engaged staff and clear competence standards are crucial. Performance management ensures improvements are sustained. Change management involves planning, testing, and communication. Leadership and staff involvement are key to success. Staff involvement is crucial for identifying inefficiencies. Regular meetings and workshops encourage engagement. Competence standards ensure staff have necessary skills. Training and development support improved practices. Recognizing staff contributions increases engagement. Change management requires structured planning and testing. Pilot projects test changes before full implementation. Clear communication explains the benefits of changes. Monitoring ensures changes lead to measurable benefits. Adjustments are made where improvements are ineffective. Performance management sustains continuous improvement. Objectives align with service improvement goals. Clinical audits and quality dashboards track progress. Performance reviews embed improvement into practice. This approach prevents improvement from being a separate activity. The NHS used quality improvement to reduce infections. Multidisciplinary teams reviewed infection control practices. New competence standards for hygiene were implemented. Initiatives were piloted, monitored, and adjusted. Staff contributions were recognized, ensuring sustained improvements. Continuous improvement enhances service quality and efficiency. It manages risk and meets stakeholder expectations. Improvement supports staff engagement and morale. Empowering staff leads to practical solutions and sustainable change. Continuous improvement ensures services remain responsive and effective. Conclusion: continuous improvement is essential for achieving long-term sustainability and maintaining stakeholder satisfaction as it fosters adaptability, enhances quality, and aligns organizational processes with evolving expectations. Should you have any questions, please contact us via WhatsApp at 0748-436-1688. Our team will gladly support you. Thanks for your time and see you soon.